by day students. Today we are going to discuss about a new lesson, that is the weather, climate and the adaptations of animals to the climate. Yes, before going to start our lesson, just we will recall what you mean by the weather. Okay, you are looking for a hill station. Suppose if you are planning to go a hill station, so you are discussing about the weather. If the sky is very cloudy, you are taking the umbrella. Okay, and also we are discussing about a weather regarding the family function. Suppose a marriage is going on in our home, we are discussing about the weather with our elder. You might have observed that before the game starts, experts discussing about the weather before the game starts. Then many of our daily activities, it will be depending upon the weather. Okay, so today we are going to discuss in this lesson why weather it is so important. Our daily activity, it will be based on the weather. What do you mean by the weather? So how does the weather can be measured and what are the elements of the weather? In this chapter we are going to discuss about the weather, climate and adaptations of the animals to that climate. We are discussing about the polar area and the tropical rainfall area. So in these areas, how does the animals they have adapted to that particular climate? Now we will discuss in our lesson. Now we will discuss about the weather. Here we find that the daily weather report carries the information about the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. Okay, so what we are getting the weather report? It will contain the information about the temperature, humidity. Humidity is nothing but moisture in the air, and the rainfall, about the wind speed. Then it also predicts the weather for the day. So we are getting information about the weather for a day or for an hour. For the future also, for future day also, we are getting the weather information. The day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. So this all we can consider as the weather. Weather is nothing but it is the condition of the atmosphere with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. These all it will be necessary conditions of the atmosphere. It will report the condition of the weather. So this all we can consider as the weather. The day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere with respect to these, that is about the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. So these all we can consider as the weather. Here, weather of a place is never constant. As we know, in the early morning, the atmosphere it will be very cool is there. Afternoon it is very hot is there. And when the evening it will comes again, it will be cool. And during the summer seasons, the atmosphere it will be very hot is there. Okay. During the winter season, it will be very cold. During the rainy season, it will rains. So these all conditions with respect to the atmosphere we can consider as the weather. Okay. It is not constant. It will be changes from day to day, hour to hour, week to week. Okay. Weather of a place is never constant. It changes hour after hour, day after day and week after week. It will be changes from hour to hour, day to day and week to week. It will be continuously changing. That's how we can say that. See how does the weather it will be changes hour to hour, day to day and week to week, depending upon the what conditions. As we said, so the elements of the atmosphere, those are the temperature, humidity is nothing but moisture in the air, next to rainfall, wind speed, etc. These all we can consider as the elements of the weather. Means because depending upon these elements only, we can say the atmosphere, the nature of the atmosphere or the weather of the atmosphere. Next, the types of the weather we are feeling in our daily life. So in a day we are feeling different types of the weather. Sometimes it may be very hot is there, sometimes very cold, and sometimes it may be cloudy or rainy, or it may be windy, or sometimes it may be humidity is there. So different types of weather we are facing It is such a complex phenomenon. It can be changes from a short period of time. That's how it is. Morning, you have seen that morning it will be sunny, it is there. Afternoon, sometimes suddenly rain it will comes. After the rain, again we will see the sun. Okay, sometimes it is very hot is there. When the rain it will comes, atmosphere it will be very cool it is there. After the few hours or after the 1 or 2 hours, again we are getting the sun. We are getting the sun rays. Okay, why weather it is so important then? Weather it will be very important to our daily life. We are planning about the weather. For example, you can, as I said before, so before starting of the game, they are discussing about the weather condition. Okay, before planning to a function, family function regarding the marriage or any function, we are discussing about the weather. Before going to a hill station, then also we are discussing about the weather. Suppose if you are planning for a holidays trip or picnics you are going, then also you are discussing about the weather. Depending upon the seasons, we are wearing the different kinds of the clothes. For example, in the summer season, we are preferring to wear the light colored clothes. During the winter season, we are preferring the woolen clothes. Upon the weather conditions, we are changing our life. Means we are planning to protect our body. Okay, suppose if it is heavy rain it will comes, we are carrying umbrella to protect ourselves. So see, these all it will be related to the weather. What do you mean by the weather? So what are the elements of the weather which decides the weather of the atmosphere? Now we will discuss about the weather reports. How they are giving the weather reports depending upon the what basis, what it will contains the report. Here hourly, daily, weekly, monthly report about the weather. Here weather report it will give us about the hour, daily, weekly, or about the monthly wise also they are giving the weather report. Here then who will give this report, weather report? It will be given by weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. Weather reports what we are getting, so that has been given by the meteorological department of the government. Next, the department collects the data on the rainfall, temperature, humidity, wind speed. So depending upon these elements, they are collecting the data about the weather. Okay, so weather report contains the data of the temperature. If the temperature is maximum it is there or minimum it is there, or if the rainfall is heavy or low, about the humidity and about the time of the sunrise and the sunset. At what time sunrise and sunset it will be occurs. Depending upon all these data, that weather report it will be given by the meteorological department of the government. Meteorological department of the government it will give depending upon these elements. Based on these elements, they are giving the weather report. Mobile also we are getting the weather report. Okay, so what is the weather of our city or other cities? Mobile also we are getting information regarding the weather. Also you have know that during the fishery, the fishermen before catching the fish, they are also discussing about the weather. How does the weather it will be there? Depending upon the weather only, they are doing the fishery. And also when the boats they are moving in the ocean or rivers, they are also discussing about the weather phenomena. Okay, they are discussing about the rainfall, temperature, humidity, all these elements of the weather they are discussing. Depending upon that data only, they will be traveling in the ocean. Or the fishermen they are doing the fishery work. We are getting information per hour, per day, per week. Okay, so for the weather forecast, it will give information regarding the weather. We are seeing in the mobile also nowadays. Then how we can measure these elements of the weather? As I said before, the elements of the weather, those are the temperature. Here measurement of the temperature. How we can measure the temperature? As we discussed in the previous class, that is temperature is nothing but the hotness of an object that can be measured by a device that is the thermometer. Okay, by using the thermometer, they are measuring the temperature. Then maximum temperature day. It is absolutely at the afternoon. At the afternoon, we will observe the maximum temperature. Okay, minimum temperature of the day it will be early morning, and during the evening also we can see. Okay, minimum temperature of the atmosphere it will be early morning it is there, and also during the evening. We can observe the atmosphere which is containing the minimum temperature. Okay, the temperature it can be measured by the thermometer. Then rainfall, how we can measure the rainfall of the atmosphere? The rainfall of the atmosphere it can be measured with a device, that is the rain gas. Next, humidity. How we can measure the moisture of the air present in the atmosphere? It can be measured by the psychrometer, by using a device, that is the psychrometer. We can measure the humidity. Then how we can measure the wind speed? Wind speed of the atmosphere it can be measured by using a device, that is the anemometer. Okay, here there is a information regarding the how we can measure the elements of the weather. Here temperature can be measured by the thermometer, rainfall can be measured by the rain gauge, humidity can be measured by the psychrometer, and last, that is wind speed can be measured by the anemometer. Okay, this is all about the weather forecasting, how we can measure the elements of the weather. As we know how we are getting this temperature, which is a main source. Okay, all the changes in the weather it will be depending upon the sun. Sun it is the major source of heat energy and light energy. Sun it is a huge sphere of the hot gases of the high temperature. Okay, sun it is containing the hot gases. It is a sphere of the huge sphere of the hot gases which contain the high temperature. As we know, distance between the sun and the earth it will be very large is there. Even though the sunlight what it will be reflecting the heat energy it will be very huge amount. So that huge amount of energy when it will be falls on the earth, so the temperature, the weather of the earth it will be changes for a particular timing continuously. It is not same for whole over the day. Because of that purpose only we can call it as a sun is the primary source of energy. Sun is the primary source of energy that causes the changes in the atmosphere. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth surface, oceans and the atmosphere play an important role in the weather. How we can define the weather? How we can observe the changes in the weather means, here the sunrise when it will falls on the earth, when it will be reflecting back from the earth surface, oceans and atmosphere, these all including in the changing in the weather of the atmosphere. If you are living near the ocean sides, the weather it will be completely changed as compared to the desert area. In a desert area there is hot climate it is there. Okay, if you compare the desert area with the mountain, in mountain region also the weather it is completely changed as compared to the deserts. So from place to place, from day to day, from hour to hour, the weather it will be completely changes. Because of the elements of the weather it will be goes on changing. What is the major cause for the change in weather means, that is the sun. Sun it is the primary source of the heat and the light energy, that it will be responsible for the change in the atmosphere of a weather. Okay, this is all about the weather. Weather is nothing but that is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere with respect to the elements of the atmosphere regarding the temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. Depending upon these conditions, depending upon these elements, we can find out the changes in the weather. The major source of change in the weather that is responsible because of the, that is the primary source of energy, that is the sun. Sun it is the major source that it will be causes the change in the weather. Yes, up to here we have discussed about the regarding the weather. So what are the elements of the weather? How it will be changes? And weather forecasting where we are using in a particular places. Okay, to tomorrow class we will discuss about the climate and how does the animals they have adapted regarding